Vulnerability scanners are crucial tools used by security teams to proactively identify and classify vulnerabilities in network devices, hosts, and applications. These tools generate reports that help improve overall security posture. However, the reports can often be overwhelming and can lack actionable insights. This is where forward exposure analysis comes in. It combines vulnerability data from scanners like Tenable Security Center with forward networks modeling capabilities, helping security teams prioritize remediation efforts effectively. With this integration, teams can identify vulnerable hosts within seconds, determine which critical vulnerabilities are accessible from exposure points such as the internet, and assess which compromised hosts have access to internal critical infrastructure. Forward Enterprise automatically pulls the latest vulnerability report during network data collection. The report is collected directly from the vulnerability scanner tool, so there's no impact on the environment. After collecting and processing both network and vulnerability data, the analysis is displayed on the exposure page. The analysis is divided into 3 key sections: exposure point, overview, and vulnerability report. By default, the exposure point is set to the internet. However, new exposure points, like partners and contractor VPNs, can be easily added. The overview section provides a high-level summary, showing the total number of vulnerable hosts identified by Tenable Security Center, the number of vulnerable hosts modeled by Forward, and the number of vulnerable hosts exposed to the selected exposure point. The vulnerability report provides a detailed report of every vulnerable host exposed to the exposure point. It provides information like host names and IP addresses, risk scores assigned to the vulnerability scanner, the number of critical vulnerabilities detected, reachable services from the exposure point, including Layer 4 and Layer 7 details, and a blast radius analysis assessing the potential impact of the compromised host. In summary, forward exposure analysis enables security teams to proactively identify network vulnerabilities and prioritize remediation. By leveraging vulnerability data provided by Tenable Security Center and Forward Network's modeling capabilities, teams can swiftly address critical threats and secure their most sensitive assets. Thank you for watching.